printer status issue on Windows. 1. Check the basics. 1.1 Ensure your printer is plugged in and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. 1.2 Whitelist your printer's IP address or port in your firewall. 1.3 For wired. Printer users, ensure the cables are properly plugged in. 2. Restart the printer and the PC. 3. Disable or uncust the use printer offline mode. 4. Run Windows Printer Troubleshooter. 5. Set a default printer. Clearing print queue. 7. Delete and re-add your printer. 8. Disable Simple Network Management Protocol, SNMP or SNMP status enabled. Path, settings Bluetooth and devices printers and scanners printer properties ports. 9. Restart the print spooler service. 10. Update the printer drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 11. Use the printer software. 12. Check if you are using a VPN connection. If so, disconnect your device from the VPN server. 13. Install the latest Windows updates. 14. Add a second printer device.